Lovely morning, beautiful people. I'm just gonna jump right into this video, and because I feel like I am cheating. I'm supposed to be waking up at 6 a.m. for 7 days. However, for the past 2 days so far, I have already been up. I have been up, and by the time 6 o'clock comes, I be actually ready to go to sleep, not wake up. So, this again is before 6 a.m. This is about 4:20. And I am up because my baby is up. She was teething. She did end up falling asleep after this. So I actually, because I felt like I was cheating, I went on ahead and decided to go back to sleep. So once I got done with this, I went on ahead and went back to sleep and got up at about, I'd say 6:40, I believe. So yeah, you'll see me. I'll actually end up taking a shower, brushing my teeth and all of that, and continuing what I was doing at that time. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you are thinking about this little mini series so far down in the comments below, because I am thinking about doing a 7-day challenge or a week-long challenge once a month at least. So if you would be interested in seeing something like that or doing it along with me, let me know down below in the comments. Now that I am done with that, just a reminder, my baby is just now going to sleep. So I am going to catch some of these for about 2 hours. And now this is after I just brushed my teeth, washed my face. And y'all, my favorite bonnet is cocked to the side. So y'all know we finna be cleaning. I did get that TV back there with all those fingerprints from my baby. So yeah, but I don't think I caught that on camera. But anywho, right now, what I'm doing is putting this car seat together because I did wash it a couple days ago and I'm just now getting to it because tomorrow is Saturday and I'm going to need it. It took a long time to dry versus the other one, which is the one that was in her car seat right now. It was one little thin little thing, so it dried pretty quick, but we didn't really go anywhere. I just put it in there just in case we did go somewhere. But now we're gonna switch it because this is her main car seat. So confused putting this car seat back together because I could not remember how to get apart. But I finally got it, and once I am done with that, remember my list of consignment shops to give away my baby things to. So I made the phone calls, got the answers I needed, and now I am going to go ahead and gather up what is going and moving it into the foyer so that way we can just grab it on the way out and it's ready to go. I posted about it on Snapchat. Somebody was like, why am I getting rid of them? Hello, they're baby clothes. She can't fit them anymore. And before anybody asks, no, her ride-on thing is not going to the consignment shop. I am just taking it because that's going to be her stroller for today. That is all I have for you in this video, so go ahead and subscribe for more.